Hello and welcome to Liberate Your Life podcast, a place where we come together and explore Ayurvedic wisdom, holistic healing, and spirituality, empowering individuals to explore their true nature and transform their life. I'm your host, Melinda Reese, Ayurvedic practitioner, Panchakarma specialist, and founder of Tahoe Ayurveda. And I am here to help you transform your life. Welcome to episode 5, Discovering Your Dosha. Today I wanted to get into the doshas and really explain more about what they are, how we use them in Ayurveda, and empower you to start understanding yourself through the doshas so that you too can learn how to influence your day-to-day choices so that you can find a deeper state of balance within your body and within your mind and within your emotions. So the 3 doshas in Ayurveda are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. And really what that means is it extends into this whole philosophy of qualities and elements, and each of them really kind of are a category of those qualities and elements. And then through understanding what those are, that's how you can really understand yourself on a deeper level, how you are affected by the external environment, the seasons, the stage of life you are in, the lifestyle choices, and the food that you intake. So Vata is made up of air and ether, and the qualities of Vata are fast, dry, rough, mobile, and Vata is in charge of the movement in the body. So it directs the flow of movement into the body, eliminating from the body, circulating through the body, and really one specifically in the digestive system. And then what moves out of the body in this direction. So it's really being able to move all of the energy in the body. And we call Vata the king of the doshas, because if the energy and life isn't moving in the right direction, which Vata is in charge of, then none of the other doshas can follow with their incredible gifts that they offer. Then we have Pitta. Pitta is fire and water. And Pitta is metabolism, digestion, assimilation, transformation. And Pitta is really in the seat of digestion. And the qualities of Pitta are hot, sharp, spreading, oily. And Pitta, again, just really helps to process and transform. So that comes through our clarity of mind, through our digestive system, through the clarity of our visual intake. And then there's Kapha, and Kapha is earth and water, and Kapha is the lubrication of the body. So Kapha is wet, cool, oily, liquid. So you really can think this like earthy water substance. And Kapha really helps to bring the lubrications to the joint. It helps with the saliva, so helps with the digestive system. And all of these elements, ether, air, Vata, fire, water, Pitta, water, earth, Kapha, are there to really understand how we are uniquely designed. We come into this world at birth, and we take that in from the cosmos and the planets, the energetics of the entire universe at the time of our birth, as well as from our parents. And that really typically doesn't change. They've only seen that change if in an accident or a certain amount of drug intake that really you're like, that person is clearly not the person they used to be. But in general, we are really birthed with this unique imprint that is so beautiful and unique to us as an individual. And through time and through our daily life, we can become aggravated or out of balance in any of the doshas. And so what Ayurveda helps to inform is how we can really see those qualities. Again, if it's wet or dry, if it's fast or slow, if it's rough or smooth, through the food, through the actions that we take, through the movements, through the materials, and every single quality of life, you can really start to describe through these qualities and through the elements. And then when you know thyself through that, and your prakruti, which is your constitutional birthright of your unique imprint, then you can start to go, okay, so I am more Pitta Vata. So I feel like I am like going out of balance in my Vata. So I really want to bring in these opposite qualities, these Kapha qualities, in order to help balance out my system. I need to really kind of warm my system. I need to moisten my system. And that really helps to bring in the balance. So again, the doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, means so much. We went through the elements that they are connected with, and then there's the qualities. And then as you begin to understand each of the doshas, you can really reflect on how you're feeling, what is out of balance, how we pacify that, and that gives you the opportunity to be empowered to make these day-to-day choices. And the out of balance state, we say in Ayurveda, one of the like foundational understandings is that when we are out of balance, we bring in the opposite quality. So like attracts like. And when we're out of balance, we tend to gravitate towards that similar quality and just completely kind of line them all up and just take that all in, because our state of balance has now been altered. So we're really seeing through this new lens of that aggravated state. And so what we need is we need the opposite quality to really shift our orientation, bring us more into balance, and then we can have little of all those things that before, when we were doing so many of them, were really affecting that out of balance state. So again, Ayurveda offers this opportunity to understand the doshas, the elements, the qualities, who we are, and where we have arrived in this moment in our life, and how we can invite in these qualities through our food and our everyday choices to really be proactive and living in a deeper state of balance and harmony. Thank you for joining me on Liberate Your Life podcast for this introduction into discovering your dosha. You can connect with me on Instagram at melindareese.co, or head over to my website at melindareese.com and schedule your free discovery call and explore how Ayurveda can help transform your life.